Hello everyone, welcome to Brisimalus. This time we are going to repair an Inspiron Dell laptop. The problem is with the DC charging jack. So the DC charging jack here, this is broken. So we are just going to replace the DC charging rack for Inspiron. So the first thing we need to remove the top cover here. So just all the screws over here. So we need to just remove all the screws. So it should be a simple process. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, so the DC jack is here, so we need to remove the DC jack. So this is actually below the hinges, so this is the hinge here. So we just need to remove these three screws to get the DC jack. So let's remove these three screws for the hinges. Okay, so this is a hinge. Let's just lift the hinge up. Just lift the hinge up. Now you can access the DC jack here. So it's connected to here. So just lift this bit up here. Yes, so that take all the connections. Okay, so we need to remove the connection from here. Okay, now you can just lift this up. Okay, so this is the connector. Now let's replace this. Okay, so here is the new DC jack. So just put this here. So this is the old one and this is the new DC jack. So now let's replace this here. So let's see how we can replace that one. Now the jack is connected here. Now let's the hinges put back and put the screws back. So when you put the hinges back, just see the arrows here. This arrow here means if there is a screw goes in that. So just be careful when you put the screws. Okay, that's done. Let's test this before we put the back cover back. Okay, let's connect the charger and check. Okay, so you can see the white color LED there. It looks everything good. So let's put back the cover, back cover. In you can see the LED light drawing, so it smells all good. So the DC charger is really good, so it's working. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you.